I'm Brian DeLuca and this is eDesign It. Today we're talking all about breadboards in electronics, but before we do that, make sure you like and follow. So what are breadboards? Well, a breadboard is a rectangular piece of plastic that has a whole bunch of holes in it that lets you actually wire electronics pretty easily. Holes are connected underneath in a specific pattern, enabling you to create circuits by plugging components into the board. Breadboards are ideal for building and testing temporary electronics. Breadboards have some key sections. Power rails are long rows of holes running along the sides of the breadboard, usually marked with red positive and blue or black negative lines. They are used to distribute power across the board. Terminal strips. These are the main areas in the center of the breadboard where components are placed. They consist of two columns of interconnected holes with a gap running in the middle to separate them. Bus strips. In some larger breadboards, bus strips run alongside the power rails and provide additional connectivity options for power distribution. Breadboards are an invaluable tool for anyone working with electronics. They provide a flexible and reusable platform for prototyping and testing circuits, making them ideal for learning and experimentation. By understanding breadboards, you can make the most out of your breadboarding project, especially if you're just starting out in electronics. For more on electronics, make sure you like and follow eDesign It, and remember to visit eedesignit.com.